Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel for that technical where I upload tech related videos and where I upload tech tutorials for yourself to have knowledge about many tech related gadgets and tech related devices. Uh, so kindly hit the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel is a technical for more tech tutorials and to get more information about tech devices. I hope you find our videos well because we are making videos on tech gadgets daily and I hope you will like our videos. So kindly subscribe our channel and also share our YouTube videos with your friends and with your mates who want information about tech related things. So let's start our today's video. Today we are diving into the mesmerizing world of mechanical keyboards, those tactical wonders that have become a cult favorite among tech enthusiasts, gamers, and productivity enthusiasts alike. Join me as we explore Join me as we explore the evolution, features, and the delightful experience that mechanical keyboards bring to our fingertips. Let's start with a quick history lessons. Mechanical keyboards have been around for decades, originating from the early days of typewriters. Over time, they have evolved into sophisticated devices that offer a unique typing experience and a range of customizable features. Design and build quality set the tone. Mechanical keyboards are known for their robust construction and tactical switches from compact 10 keyless design to fully sized layouts. These keyboards often feature customizable keycaps, RGB lighting, and a satisfyingly sustainable feel. Switches are the heart of experience. Mechanical keyboards use individual switches beneath each keycap, each with its own distinct feel and actuation force. Popular switch types include Cherry MX, Gatiron, and Razer switches, each offering a unique balance of actuation force, tactical feedback, and audible click. Tactical, clicky, and linear switches cater to preferences. Tactical switches provide a noticeable bump when a key is pressed, while clicky switches and an audible click sound. Linear switches, on the other hand, have a smooth and consistent keystroke. User can choose based on their typing preferences. Customizability is a key feature. Many mechanical keyboards often come with swappable keycaps, allowing user to customize the look and feel of their keyboard. Additionally, programmable keys and customizable RGB lightning uh, lightning enable users to tailor the keyboard to their preferences. Durability of keyboard also varies. If you buy a cheap keyboard, it can not be more durable, but I suggest you to buy a keyboard in a moderate range. Today I explained mechanical keyboard in a very detail. So kindly hit the like button and also share our videos with tech related peoples and the people who like tech tutorials. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel AZ Technical for more tech related videos and tech tutorials.